How's it going, everybody? Mike with Cleveland Cutting Board and Furniture Company coming at you with another weekend shop update. Hope everybody had a great week. I know I did. Super busy. Had some pretty nice weather for this time of year in Northeast Ohio, or Central Ohio, technically, I guess. I don't know. Northern Ohio. Lake Erie's right there. I'm in the middle somewhere. So anyway, pretty good weather this week, so I've got a lot done. It's easier to work when it's 50 outside compared to 10 degrees. I actually got a couple of days at the shop door open, so that was really nice. It also saves on heating fuel. So anyway, really productive week. I've been working on a lot of big orders. Been working on the countertop project. I'm really close to getting that wrapped up. I still have to finish up the sample color piece for the clients, but I have one piece I got to fix, maybe redo, but work on that this coming week. Big cutting board order. I got 50 cutting boards due next month. That's really pretty much wrapped up. That's part of it's right here. The other part's behind the camera there. I'll have that already this week. Get it out of the way because I can focus on Christmas stuff. Christmas orders, cutting board orders, you name it, orders. Everything's been coming in. I've been knocking them out fast as I can. A lot of things are going quick. I'm down to the last batch of security wine glass orders. I got probably 9 more in stock. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to make more. I got a call today from a friend who wants some, so I get some set aside for him. Grill scrapers. I thought these were done. I keep saying it, but these have been going like crazy. I've got 6 or 7 left, and I said I don't know if I'm gonna have time to make more. So once they're gone, the chances are they're gone. So if you need a grill scraper, and these can be customized, you can get the person's name on the handle or wherever you like. Typically, I put the name on the handle. So those are gonna be done. The cracker paddles. Everyone's buying cracker paddles for their kids and their grandkids. Put their M&Ms or chips or whatever in there. You smack them in the ass to the bed. Cracker paddles are hot. The other thing that's been really, really hot. I just batched out another 20 or so of the cocktail smokers. I don't think I'm doing the round ones. Everyone likes the oval ones better. The round ones just don't seem to sell as well, so I'm switching to the oval ones pretty much full time. A couple round ones left, but when they're gone. But yeah, this one's just a peely, so I gotta do all this is just off the CNC. I still gotta sand it, edge it, and oil it, and engrave it. But these also, my logo goes on the bottom if you want to put someone's initials or some saying on the top, or if you want to do like if you own a small bar or a business like that and you want some, I can put your brand on there as well. These make great corporate gifts. What else? The small cigar holders. This gets a bullet casing inside there. This one's in walnut. This is just for one guy, one cigar. This is something you can kind of give as a stocking stuffer. These have been going really well. What else? The wine glass. These are the last 2 of the wine bottle holders that I'm gonna have done time this year. All the other ones are sold. I have one in walnut and this one is in cedar. They both have the maple dowels going between them. These still got to get final sanded, and then I'm gonna do a spray varnish on these. I'm gonna make more after the holidays, but this is the last of this design. All the sanding in here takes forever. It's just not cost particular. I can't charge more because people don't want to spend that much more on these. So I gotta work out a design that kind of eases these sharper angles so it's faster to sand, and I can sell them at the same price, but I'm not burning as many hours making them. So these are the last 2. They'll be done this coming weekend up for sale. The trays, I've been making these little trays like crazy. I just made one today for a guy who wanted one that said mom on it for his wife, for his kids to give to his wife, kids to give to their mom, his wife, right? Yeah. Everything, corporate, I got a bunch of guys ordered them for his employees. They're just fun little, once again, stocking stuff for $25 items. Some are engraved. If you want to put something on there simple, just don't charge for engraving on these. If you want something where I have to do a lot of design work, if you want some initials or something like that, I'm not going to charge you. They're 25 bucks. If it's something where I have to do a lot of work and got to work out a design and go back and forth, it takes time, then there's initial cost. So the little trays, these have been, like I said, real popular this year. And I kind of like making them. I don't know what it is about them, but I like making them. Let's see what else. The card caddies. Card caddies. These things have been awesome. I thought they'd be fun. I mean, I use mine every single day. I have one on my desk in my office, and we have one downstairs in the kitchen. So if you run out of something, just write the card, put it right there, take the card with you, and go to the grocery store or wherever you gotta go. the one on my desk, I just make notes at the end of every day, what I gotta do the next day, and I take it with me out here. So the card caddies have been really cool. Those are fun. Another great stocking stuff for $30. If you want to add engraving, it's just a few bucks more. Put my eyeballs on. Let's see what else. The big cigar ashtrays. These things right here. I didn't know so many people smoke cigars. I'm not a cigar smoker, so I didn't realize it. But yeah, I think I'm down to my last 3. I have one with a Marine Corps EGA on it, Eagle Globe and Anchor. And I got 3 plain ones left, and that's probably all I have time to do for the holidays. So those are going really well. Another item that's great. Those are $50 only because there's a lot of sanding involved with it. A lot of time on the CNC because all those indicative curves you gotta go back through and sand. Let's see. Flight boards. Whiskey flights. These are $50 and they come with 3 of the Glencairn glasses. So when you do the math on the glasses, the wood, the time to make them, sand them, oil them, and engrave them, $50. If you want them customized, I can do that too. But $50 with the Glencairn glasses. I have a handful of those still in stock. I'm sure they'll go fast. Another great item, fits in the stocking, and they come with the glasses. So those are going great. Let's see what else. What's in front of me? I was cleaning the shop up. I took a minute last week, cleaned the shop up, and I found some bird's eye maple. So I made a couple of bird's eye maple of screw boards. I made this one, and I got one that's about half the size. This one is about 3 times more this cost of one in a regular maple because of bird's eye. But I know it's kind of hard to see, but this has to get final sanded, edged, and everything, and oiled. But this bird's eye stuff is really cool. If you want a charcuterie board to make a statement on your kitchen table or dining table this holiday season, the 2 bird's eye maples go quick. What else? I have 2 of the. This is the Buckeye tree with the clear resin. It's got a little bit of a smoke to it. I got 2 in order. This is one of them. The other one is over in the CNC right now, getting flattened and then shaped. This kind of see right here. I'm gonna post a video here that I'm gonna shoot later, if that makes sense. But anyway, it's over there getting flattened, and it'll flatten it out nice and smooth. Get it down to one universal plane. Then cut it shape. This is the other one. So once that one's done, this will go on there. These 2 are both sold. Once these are done, the Buckeye, I've got my buddy Dustin gave me a couple pieces. He gave me 3 pieces of cherry offcuts from his property. We're doing a dining room table for him in the spring. I'm doing some shelving for him in this new home bar he put in. But he has some offcuts. So he gave me 3 pieces this size. One's on the lathe. I'm gonna make a big platter out of it. And then I've got 2 of these. This one, and then this one I've already started prepping. This will be my next resin pour. I just gotta debark all this, and I gotta thin it out. I wanna make this a little bit bigger gap. I have to go through and clean all this bark off. If this isn't clean, it won't get a good, the resin won't stick well. So this has been flattened, cut the sides. I just gotta clean all this out, and I'm probably gonna make this gap a little bigger. But this will get poured this week. I'm gonna do 2 of them. I'm not sure what color, probably maybe a red. I think the cherry and the red would go good together. Maybe a nice jet black would be cool. So I don't know. So that's what's going on. Shop is, I clean it and then I take half a day, clean it, and it's dirty in the next 10 minutes. It's just all the offcuts are just piling up. I had one of the guys came in this week, Thursday, and helped out a lot. Cliffy, a good buddy of mine, good worker. He came in for, I think 5 hours this past week, and worked diligently, got a lot of stuff done. But looking around the shop, it's trash as always, and I got a stack of cutting board. It's pretty treacherous back here. There's just stuff everywhere by my feet. Cutting boards are just stacking up everywhere. Customer orders, my big order. I've got 20 boards going out to a client end of this coming week. Those are all done. They're all made. Starting Monday, I'll flatten them all out, start getting them to shape, and then start laser engraving. Every one of them is getting their logo, and every one of them is getting a custom inscription on the front. So I gotta go through and do the design for every single one. Then once those are all laser engraved, each laser engraving will take 7 minutes per side. So that's around 14 minutes per board, 20 boards. That equals whatever I put down here is how many minutes that'll take. Then I gotta bring them back over here, final sand them, oil them, and then let them sit overnight oiled. Then I gotta go back through them and wax them. So yeah, so there's a lot of work left to do. The bulk of the work is done. The hard work is done, gluing them all up. But yeah, I got all 20 done. Just got to finish them. So I have those done by Wednesday, Thursday. I think they're gonna pick them up Friday or Saturday, I think they said. So good shape with that. I think that is it. Yeah, last thing, not the last thing, but don't forget this coming next weekend, next Saturday night, I'll be at the Canoe Club in Marblehead. Come on out. I know it's a little bit of a hike. It's from Vermilion or from Wakeman where I'm at. It's about 45 minutes, but it's a great place. Awesome wine selection, amazing food, really good pizzas. There'll be a lot of great vendors. Not your typical craft show, nickel and dime junk. Not junk, but you know what I mean. It's nice quality products. Like there's some metal sculptors going to be there. Last time I was there, a guy was hand carving these amazing whale things on the wall. So yeah, there's clothing people there. It's not a big show, but I think there's around, last time I did that, I think it was eight or maybe 9 vendors, but they're good quality, really nice stuff. So, and I'll be there, I'll be hanging out. This show is 5 to 8. I'll be there early setting up and hanging out, and we'll probably hang out afterwards. So yeah, so come on out to the Canoe Club next Saturday. Anyway, I will have a great week. The deadline for guaranteed Christmas orders is a week from tomorrow. So next Monday, got to have it in by next Monday. I do have things in stock I can engrave, but I can't get that for you. But the chances of that for next Monday, of making you something from scratch, slim to none. I got a lot of security boards in stock as of now. Those will go quick. Also, let me mention, don't forget to check out Cleveland Cutting Board Furniture Company's sister company, Great Lakes Laser Engraving. Great Lakes Laser Engraving is a Yeti vendor, so we can get you all your Yeti supplies, whether it be cups, coolers, apparel. They have some great backpacks. I have I think I have a 27-liter backpack, and it's my main go-to backpack now. I have a backpack addiction. I have a lot of backpacks, but this one's awesome. So if you're in the market for a Yeti, laser engraved Yeti, we can do that for you. If you need a cooler, and you're thinking about going to the big box stores, I can sell it to you for the exact same price the big box stores are. So maybe support a small business over going to one of the big box places, but let me know and I can take care of you. If you order it online, it's the same price as I can get it for. It's gonna take you no faster to order it online. So don't forget to check out Great Lakes Laser Engraving. I'll put the link, I'll put a picture or something right here to remind you, but everyone have a great week and I'll talk to you later.